Students, today's topic is taxonomical hierarchy. In this text, we will discuss taxa or taxon. Taxon is singular. Taxa, the taxa are the various levels or ranks of classification. Dear students, you will observe that there are several ranks in police like DGP, IG, DIG, SP, DSP, Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Haldar, etc., etc., etc. These are the ranks. In the same way, in case of taxonomy, several ranks are found. These ranks are called taxa plural and taxon singular. The largest unit, the largest rank is kingdom, and the smallest rank is species. The hierarchy of classification in case of human, this is an example: kingdom like Animalia, phylum, Chordata, class, Mammalia, order, Primata, family, Hominidae, genus, Homo, or species, Sapiens. This is an example. Now we will discuss binomial nomenclature. This nomenclature system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus or Carl von Linné in 1707 to 1708. In his book Philosophia Botanica 1751. According to this system, each organism has two names, two words. One is genus and another is species. Suppose this is the scientific name of human, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. This is genus. This is species. The first letter of genus is capital, while other are smaller. While in case of species, all words are in smaller case. In the same way, just like in mango, Mangifera indica, M is capital of the genus and remaining alphabets are smaller, while in case of species, all the alphabets are smaller. In typing, we underline these cases. In typing case, the entire name should be italicized or underlined. Normal running matter by hand, it should be underlined, separately underlined, and in case of typing, it should be italicized. Now next one is trinomial nomenclature system. Trinomial nomenclature system proposed by Huxley and Stricklander. In this, along with genus and species, subspecies are also denoted, like the scientific name of modern man or today's man, आज के मानव, is known as Homo sapiens sapiens. This is subspecies. Now ICBN, this is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. It gives scientific name to plants. ICJDN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, it gives scientific names to animals. Now concept of species. The species term given by John Ray, while the definition of species was given by, or concept of species was given by Mayer. According to Mayer, a group of organisms within a genus that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Suppose human, in case of human, male and female, men and women cross and born a baby, that should be fertile. That should be fertile. Is termed as species. Is called as species. Species is the smallest unit of the classification. Biological concept of species was given by Mayer. Now, thus we have completed this section. Thank you.